Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist here. This is my own kitty Shanty, and I've done a few of her. So right now I'm just kind of getting her shapes in. I love this pose. I just love that gentle look. So it's a long-haired loaf cat, or a loaf floof. Just with this one, I did a completed one on good paper of this one, and my aim all the way through my practice sketching and that one and now has been that roundness, that just a compact look of kitty. And I ask myself when I started drawing, what is this drawing going to be about? And that's what it was about this time. Of course, it's always about the cat, but there's something about the cat that it's about. And that gives me a focus. And I am going at 2.5 times the speed and voicing over here. Getting some eyes in quickly. I find those middle downward lines of the eyes, the inner corners, really important to place the eyes to before I start drawing the rest of the eyes. Didn't like that mouth. I'm going to start again. It's a little bit awkward looking. Start with that downward point. And then that little smile. I know that cats don't really smile the way people do, but when I draw them, they do. It's all about finding your style. Your own interpretation of your subject. Just be yourself with your art. It's what it's all about. So I started here to put her markings in, but I decided later that I was just going to, kind of use her body shape and stuff and just add expressive lines and just do the, tabby thing. So here we go. Just those tabby markings to help shape the face. Just let your cats be what they become. Don't worry too much about making it exactly like your subject. And what I find for likeness, just thinking about my subject goes a long way towards me pumping likeness into the drawing. And then I just kind of let it go where it wants to go. And those eyes are a little bit wonky, but I like it that way. Gives it character. Adds to the flow of the drawing. If you go correcting every little thing that's not exactly the same as your subject, you lose that beautiful impressionistic look or expressionistic look, whatever you want to call it. Just remember that less is more. Too much there. I like the expression I've got on her face. And we're going to speed up a little more in a sec here to 4 times the speed and finish this drawing up. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or where you are in the world or what you want to learn about drawing cats. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.